Cardano appeared on different crypto-following locales, for example, CoinMarketCap and Coinbase, on 1 October 2017, and was generally obscure in the digital currency market. On that day, ADA, which is the relating coin of Cardano, had a market capitalization of about $600 million, which was profoundly uncommon for a coin that didn't have a lot of buzz from fans via virtual entertainment. Toward the finish of 2017, ADA was ordered as an enormous cap resource, as its market capitalization took off above $10 billion. The advanced coin needs to impact the world concerning how monetary exchanges are done. The organizers behind the resource accept it has the right highlights and innovation, which can give the worldwide world a decentralized money resource, which is a consolidation of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Furthermore, they are of the conviction that the crypto coin and its blockchain can areas of strength for offer to parent crypto, BTC, and other altcoins. He expressed Cardano will be important in view of difficult work, true use and utility of the stage. Such utility and certifiable use has expanded the cryptographic money's value, which was up 647% last year. Such a bullish force, Akash Jiramath, one of the master experts at Street accepts, has placed ADA on course to continue an upturn towards exchanging at a cost of $2 before long. Specialists at computerized coin cost additionally share similar feelings because of Cardano's redesign, which is named Gauguin, which centers around brilliant agreements. The Crypto Market and Information Examination online entry figures $1.51 as ADA's exchanging cost toward the finish of 2022, which might ascend to $1.72 in 2023. And increment to $2.24 in 2024. The crypto resource will then, at that point, ascend because of high crypto exchanging, which will build its day-to-day exchange volume and take the coin to new highs in 2025 at an exchanging cost of $2.62. For merchants and financial backers who like to go long, your tokens are ready to exchange at a noteworthy $6.36 by 2028. Advanced coin cost added, with additional tokens destined to be mounted on Cardano's blockchain network, and the crypto having major areas of strength for in domains where digital currencies are not generally welcomed like Japan, Asia, will it keep on taking off to new achievements in 2022. With a $380 million speculation by Dubai-based organization, FD7, what are the main thrusts of ADA's value? And is it will end up being Ethereum's immediate opponent concerning decentralized finance, DeFi, conventions? What are the upsides of utilizing Cardano? Cardano is extraordinary and exceptional as it offers versatility, interoperability, and security through a layered engineering. Like all cryptographic forms of money, blockchain innovation assumes a fundamental part with respect to how clients can utilize tokens to send and get installments. Parent cryptographic money BTC utilizes SHA-256 proof of work POW, which was a similar well-established calculation utilized by Ethereum on its 1.0 stage until its move up to the 2.0 organization, which utilizes a proof of stake POS calculation. Litecoin, the silver to BTC's gold purposes script, a calculation which is likewise utilized by Image, Roused Computerized Cash, Dogecoin, Doge. Cardano, ADA utilizes Ouroboros as a feature of the verification of stake blockchain agreement convention family. This calculation can run both permissioned and permissionless blockchains. With this, the Cardano settlement layer, CSL, holds the original token, ADA, which monitors exchanges and mirrors Bitcoin, BTC. Cardano calculation layer, CCL, is the second layer which empowers shrewd agreements and applications to run on the organization which mirrors Ethereum. Dissimilar to other cryptographic forms of money, Cardano doesn't have a white paper and on second thought consolidates plan standards, which are expected to develop issues, for example, administrative consistency, interoperability and versatility which are looked by other computerized monetary standards. One of the advantages of utilizing confirmation of stake POS blockchains is a more modest energy prerequisite, which isn't related to evidence of work chains, which fall into the requests of custom equipment. Arrangements which are utilized in application explicit coordinated circuits ASICs. Obviously, as far as exchange speed, Cardano processes 257 exchanges each second TPS. In correlation with others, Ethereum 1.0 handled 15 to 20 TPS, and Bitcoin processes 4.6 TPS. Such exchange speeds are conceivable because of the blockchain comprising of two fundamental components. A few existing cryptographic forms of money which can't perform exchanges in a quick way are credited to working on a solitary layer, which ordinarily brings about high exchange expenses, which stems out of sluggish exchanges because of blocked networks. In a yearly global cryptology gathering, meeting paper named Ouroboros, a provably safe verification of stake blockchain convention by creators Agelos Kiaez, Alexander Russell, Bernardo David and Roman Aleynikov, give conceivable suppositions with regards to why this convention utilized via Cardano is secure, which are expressed beneath. Online entryway for the most recent news, guidelines and mining connected with digital currencies, Smartarium, has determined the eventual fate of Cardano to be incredibly brilliant. Contributing examiner of Smartarium, Adam Webb is of the conviction that ADA will exchange for $2.50 and by 2025 will have an exchanging cost of $10. One more benefit of putting resources into Cardano is appeal for the resource, which is addressed by its position through its market capitalization. There are numerous digital forms of money that preceded Cardano. Sadly, thousands have gone into termination mode and are sorted under dead coins. ADA, which runs on Cardano's blockchain network, is continually advancing with its innovation, which has drawn the full focus of brokers and financial backers. At the hour of compassing this report, Cardano was exchanging at a cost of $1.06, up 3.70%, had an exchanging volume of $954 million, and a market capitalization of $35 billion. To experience such exchange volumes, Cardano should exchange on profoundly belittled digital money trades. Clearly, well-known digital currency trades like ZG.com, HBTC, OKEx, Huobi, Worldwide and Binance have made ADA accessible for exchanging. In a report by Statista, Online Measurements Entry for Buyer and Market Information, contrasting day-to-day exchange volumes on February 22, 2021, Binance, biggest digital currency trade with regards to volume, kept an incredible $28.85 billion in a 24-hour time frame. Exchange volumes are critical in light of the fact that it helps you as a financial backer or dealer to have the option to estimate cost on an individual level in view of the interest people in general is appearing with respect to the resource. ADA market capitalization is profoundly fundamental since it assists you with knowing the position of the resource concerning its opposition with other digital forms of money. Right now, as far as market cap, just Bitcoin, with its colossal fame, mass reception by large number of shippers as well as foundations. Ethereum, with its ongoing predominance of the decentralized money space and high fake dollar, which benefits from remaining nearby 98% to 102% of the genuine United States dollars, are the resources in front of Cardano. Last year an update called Mary was presented that empowers Cardano to have similar practical capacities as Ethereum, ETH, with an additional layer of safety. More tokens and conventions or decentralized applications, dApps, will be added to Cardano. The tokens will be exchanged independently, thus would the conventions, which would be mounted on Cardano's organization, very much like long money, compound and next